In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Autohotkey. So first things first, go to autohotkey.com and you'll be welcomed by this page, and click on download and click on download current version. Once that is done, just click on the .exe installer. Click on yes if you have user account control enabled. Now the Autohotkey installation setup has launched. You can click on Express installation. And that's it. Installation complete. As simple and as fast as that. Now, I also recommend installing Notepad++ because that's my favorite text editor application and I highly recommend it. So go to notepad++.org/downloads and download the latest version, which is 7.9.2 at the moment. And then scroll down and select download 60-bit version installer. Click on it and give it a few seconds. Once it's installed, just like before, click on .exe, click on yes. Now the installation setup has launched. Click OK and click next. Click I agree, but read the EULA before. And now you can select the path for the installation. I want this path, that's fine, so I can click on next. And you can leave these options as they are by default, so click on next. Create desktop shortcut, feel free to do so, but I don't want it on my desktop because I'm going to have it on start menu. Click on install. Boom, that's it. You can tick or untick this and finish. So now we have Autohotkey and Notepad++ installed, and now we are going to proceed to make our first Autohotkey script and run it. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your comments and share this video with people who might be interested. Please press like and subscribe buttons, it means a lot to us. If you're interested to get to know us better, check out our website at valsogard.com. Again, thank you for watching and see you soon.